Man, I'm really excited about this one. I haven't had a flip phone since the Nextel days when you used to press that little button, that thing popped up like this. You hit that chirp like chirp. You know, that hit me on that Nextel chirp. Oh, I really love that Nextel. But anyway, it's been a long time since the flip phones was a thing. You know, we got these big slabs of glass, but Samsung out here right now bringing the flip phone back. You know, they had the Z Flip and the Z Flip 2, and now they got the Z Flip 3. I feel like this one is finally ready for prime time. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna sell a lot. They dropped the price on this. It's $1,000, but it's way better than I think what it was, $12,000, $1,200, $1,400 phone. You know, I don't really rock with the $1,000 phone, but I feel like this one is different and it's worth it. So I had to spend that money and get on it. But not waiting any more time. Let's just jump into this unboxing. Perfect. Alright, so this is the T-Mobile version of the Z Flip 3 5G. These long names. One day we're gonna have to drop this 5G, but I know there's a lot of phones that's still not 5G, so they gotta let people know that's 5G. But anyway, Z Flip 3 5G. This is the T-Mobile version. I got the green color. They got like a little forest green color. I feel like it's gonna look real dope. I got the watch to match too. That's coming in another unboxing right after this. So boom, we ready for that one. Go ahead and subscribe. You already know the deal. The box is slim, it's small. We know why. It doesn't include a charger. I'm not gonna go on my rant this time about the phone's not coming with a charger. But Samsung, yeah. All right, I said I was gonna do the rant. But anyway, it doesn't have a charger. But we're gonna open these box up and see what do we have in the actual box. Yo, I'm really excited to do that first little flip. I don't think y'all understand how much I used to just flip my little Nextel phone open all the time. Anyway, right on top, you already know the phone. Ooh, it's got a little plastic on. Y'all gotta take this plastic off right now before I even jump to it. We'll see what the rest of the box got. It's gonna have this little tab, but it's not gonna make it. Why? I feel like I already got some fingerprints on it. It looks good, and actually I do like this green, but I got fingerprints on it already. Let me just get a quick little wipe down just to all right, I gotta do the flip. Hold on. Let's see if I can pop it open. Okay, it's like it's a little stiff. Pop open, close. It's stiff. Well, look at this thing. Just look at this thing. Look how small it just folds down to. Like phones just been getting so big these days, and then here comes Samsung with the Z Flip to like, boom, throw it in the pocket, no pressure. But anyway, let's just see what else is here. I know like the unboxing situation, you know, just kind of got like died down a little bit because these manufacturers just start including less and less and less in the box. Like, look at this. There's literally nothing. Just nothing in the box. I'm just dead ass. They might as well just stop sending the box. Just start sending the phone in like a Ziploc. Like saran wrap that thing with the bubble wrap or something. Like, don't even send us a box no more. But anyway, we got the USB-C charging cable. USB-C on both sides. That's what it is. Got your quick start books. Yo, this is so trash. Like, you don't even get like a SIM ejector tool anymore. Like, it's nothing. It's like, this is $1,000 phone. Like, it's still not cheap. They lowered the price, but it's still not cheap. And not even I'm talking to, all right, I'll take that back. There is a SIM ejector tool. But Samsung used to include like wired headphones in all their phones. Like, I really like those headphones. And then the charging brick. All right, we're not gonna get on the charging brick subject. Whatever. But anyway, let's start this phone up real quick. Wait, let's take a look around real quick before we even start it up. So we got the dual cameras on the back. Both of these are 12 megapixels. One is the wide and one is the ultra wide. No zoom lens. That's cool. I prefer the wide over the zoom. Yeah, I'm really liking this two-tone with the black on top and the green at the bottom. Like, the green is like, I'm liking that green. But you got the little outside display right here. Can't really see it that well because the screen is off. But you got the power button slash fingerprint button right here on the side. The volume rocker. Let me see. Power button kind of like, that's easy to get to, but I feel like it's gonna take a little work to get to the volume. They probably should have put the volume button on this side, but that's cool. And what is, I don't know what this is right here. Maybe the 5G antenna. Maybe that's what this is on this side. But you got your SIM card ejection tray right here. And then we have the USB-C charging port, some microphones, a speaker, but that's it. A little flash on the back, but it's not much. But this flip, I can't really, hold on, let me see if I can, hold on, try that again. If I get used to that, I don't want to break it. All right, I kind of did that kind of a little rough. I don't know, I think it should be the last. I mean, this is the third time around, so I'm pretty sure they got all the kinks out and it's durable now. But let me hit start it up for the first time and check it out. All right, there we go. So while it's starting up, let's just kind of like run through the specs real quick. This has a 6.7-inch display. It's a 1080p display, but it is 120 hertz. So that thing's gonna be buttery smooth with the swiping. You already know that 20 hertz, 120 hertz love. Even though I'm still not sold between the 90 hertz and 120 hertz, I can't really tell, but between 90 and 60, it's a huge difference. It only make no sense. I don't even know why they still make 60 hertz phones. But anyway, 120 hertz display on this one. It has 8 gigs of RAM. 8 gigs is more than enough. I don't really think, a lot of phones coming out with 10, 12, 16, whatever, but 8 gigs enough. I don't really feel like you need more than that. It's a 3300 milliamp battery. So I should be able to get some good battery life out of this, even though, I've been rocking with phones with 5,000, but you gotta sacrifice something when you make a phone that can do this. When you make a phone that can flip like this, you gotta sacrifice something. And it comes with Android 11. It's probably one of the things I kind of don't like, that Android 12 is right around the corner. And we know Samsung has got better with the software updates, but Android 12 is right around the corner, and this is coming out with Android 11, and we don't have no clue how long it's gonna take for this to get the Android 12. Hopefully it's not too long. Samsung has been improving, but hopefully not too long we get to Android 12. This also comes with the Snapdragon 888 processor. Here's my thing. That processor is about 10 months old. And the new whatever Snapdragon 900, Snapdragon 898, whatever they call it, that's coming out around the corner. But that's not even the worst part. 888 Plus is already out, so I don't understand why they didn't use that instead of the 888 processor. Again, $1,000 phone. I want all the top specs. Even with the price drop, I want the top specs. 888 Plus available. You should have used the 888 Plus. What else? It has 128 gigs of storage. Also includes wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. It's not no super fast wireless charging. I think it's still about 4.5 watt. It also includes, even though it doesn't come with a charger, it has fast wireless charging. I don't even think we want to consider 15 watts fast anymore, which actually got phones like the OnePlus that's dropping the 65 watt charging. But I think with all of that and all of I feel like not having the 888 Plus and not having the charger brick, I think this is gonna be a dope phone. I'm still just enjoying just hitting this flip. It's still, I'm about to fumble this thing already. It's gonna be weird. I wonder what kind of cases they're gonna have for this, because I haven't even looked yet for a case. I think I'm gonna need a case for this. But anyway, I've been rambling. I'm gonna take a quick little second, set everything up, run through the phone real quick, and give my first initial impressions on the Z Flip 3. So I'll be right back. Sit tight and subscribe while you're waiting. All right, I set everything up and I had a few hours to play with the phone, and I got a lot to say about this device. This is really just my first impression, so I'm not gonna do a deep dive into everything right now, but it's just crazy how just messing with this phone, and I didn't even once get a chance to even get to the camera. The first impression I would say about this phone it is pretty narrow and tall. Like just the form factor itself, it feels kind of normal, if I were to say normal with a flip phone, but it feels like a normal size when it's small, but when you open it up, it gets like really tall, and it's narrow. Like even like watching like a YouTube video or something on there, you'll see a lot of black like bars on the side, and like even like looking like an Instagram story or something, it would be, let's see, like it's just a lot of black bars at the top and bottom of like the page, like even looking like an Instagram story. So I think it's gonna take a while for like other apps that's not just like the Samsung apps to adjust to the form factor. And also this display on the outside is pretty useful and functional. So like you double tap to it, and then you can like swipe to see notifications this way. Then you can swipe to see like you playing music, your alarms and whatever. And then you get like a call, you can see a call pops up right here, and you can answer calls and whatever right there. So that's pretty useful. The fingerprint scanner is very fast on there. The overall performance itself is really fast. I didn't really expect it to be slow. One thing you probably already noticed is that this thing is a fingerprint magnet. No matter what I do, I just can't keep fingerprints off of this thing. I started looking up for some cases, and a lot of the cases currently are not available yet. I don't know what's going on, but I could really, like most of the cases I found that I thought was pretty cool are not available until like September 5th, I think, to 10th. I was seeing those dates. So I guess I'm gonna be rocking this raw dog for a while before I get a case. It feels pretty durable, but I still don't want to take any chances of dropping this thing. The crease in the middle is definitely noticeable. You can see it right here on the camera. Like, and then like when you like scrolling on it, like if you scrolling on the display, like you can like feel it, like right, since it's like right in the middle, you can just feel the crease. Like it's very visible and it's very noticeable. You can feel it, you can see it, but I don't think it's gonna be something that's gonna bother me. I mean, after today, I probably won't even notice it anymore. One last thing I want to touch on for like the first impression is it's not that easy to open this with one hand. Like it just doesn't. I mean, if I flip it like this, I can get it open, but I don't know how long this will last with me doing this like this. I don't know the durability of it will hold up, but unless you like flip it like this, that's like the only really easy way to get it open with one hand. The hinge itself is pretty firm. Got a lot of friction to it. It's not easy. So, and that's kind of like a good thing too, because you can just like sit it at any position. Like no matter how you want to put it, it will get it there and it will stay. Like it, I don't know, man. Like this is just a really cool phone because it's different. It's just a lot different from your normal just slab of glass, just big phone, and just bring back, it has a little nostalgia to it, just being like a flip phone. And I'm really looking forward to like doing a full review. Like I said, I haven't even like tested the camera out. I mean, it's a Samsung phone, so I feel like it's gonna be pretty good, but I just ain't even want to jump into that yet because I just spent a lot of time setting up and just trying to get used to the form factor and the phone and everything. But if there's certain things you want me to test out for the review, just drop a comment below. I think this is gonna be a fun phone to review. And the display is really good. Like it gets really bright. It's really high, like saturation, contrast, like any other Samsung display. Like, but it can fold. It literally folds. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like this was just my unboxing and just first impressions, but I'm gonna have a full review coming soon. Anyway, this is Joe. This was another Joe Tech Talk. Thanks for watching. I'm out.